everyone, today I would like to show you my app for the TanstackStart Hackathon. It's called Code Voyager, and it's a platform where anyone can create code-based MCP tutorials that can later be used inside their assistant, for example Cursor. That way you can actually do the tutorial with the help of your AI assistant directly in your editor. So let me show you how it works. To create a new tutorial, click Create New Tutorial. You need to be logged in. And let's create a tutorial for example, dogs, fire, crawl, dev. Let's hit Analyze Documentation. Yeah, so basically what it will do is under the hood, it will create a convex workflow, then fetch the sitemap XML to discover all the pages of the documentation. It will get a website summary using Firecrawl API, and then using our AI agent, it will generate 5 tutorial proposals based on that documentation. Tutorials has been generated. We have 4 proposals. Let's see how it looks like. So when you click one of the proposals, you can see the title, description, and the URLs that it will use from the documentation. You can also change it, specify your custom URL or remove it. But for this demo, I will just use this first one and just will change the title so that there is Firecrawl in it. So let's hit the generate tutorial. So behind the scenes, our AI agent will use the Firecrawl tool to fetch the selected documentation URLs and then create a complete tutorial based on the title, description, and those fetched pages. So the tutorial has been generated, so let's take a look at it. As you can see, it consists of a series of Markdown-based steps that will later be used by the AI through our MCP server. There are like 14 steps of it. If you want to make any changes, just click Edit. Here you can update all the metadata, and you can reorder, edit, add, or remove steps however you like. So that's enough for now. So let's get back to the previous screen and let's publish it. Okay, so now it's published. So let's go to our homepage where you should see our new tutorial in the list. Here it is. So let's learn with it. Click a play button here. As you see here, there are 2 steps that need to be done. First, if you haven't done it before, you need to configure your cursor with our MCP server. Let's click Add to Cursor. Open Cursor up. It will ask you to install it. Let's install it. Okay, so as you see, it needs authentication. We need to authorize and connect with our Code Voyager profile. Let's connect it. Open. And great, now it has been authenticated, and we go back to the cursor. Yeah, it's working. So as you see, there are 6 tools here. So it will be used then in our AI. So let's move back to our web page, and we can do now this second step. So you can either copy this text to our AI assistant, or basically just click Open in Cursor. Let's click it, and here we will create new chat, and it will basically tell that let's start tutorial with that slug. This is a slug of our tutorial. Let's click it. So it should call our tool that is called Start Tutorial, and basically create Start New Session for that user. It has been called, and we have this first step, as you see. So this is the step that we basically had like in our tutorial here. This is basically this. And now if we have read, we can go next step to next step. As you see, it will basically call the next step. So it will go to the next step and will update the user state. So as you see here, it shows us what we should do. Like we can create a directory, etc. And then we can go step by step and finish the tutorial. Everything I wanted to show you. It's still a very early MVP, but the core functionality is already working. You can create an account, build a new tutorial, and then use that tutorial with our AI assistant to learn new things right inside your editor. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!